Dear team, we want to wish you happy holidays, clear skies,
And Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas, everyone. Much love.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Lots of love.
I wish really wonderful Christmas both for our basketball team, also for our colleagues from Malta, from Brazil, and especially from Lithuania, from basketball team.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat!
Happy holidays to you and your loved ones.
Hello everyone, my warmest wishes to all of you. I would like to wish you health, not only physical but also mental, and never lose faith and hope in the people that surround you.
Happy Holidays! Happy Holidays!